In this section, we'll examine 3 key factors in determining the dimensions of an elevator cabin. 1. Shaft dimensions. The shaft dimensions must be accurately calculated. To determine the shaft width and depth, we follow this approach. Shaft width equals cabin width plus clearance between the cabin and shaft walls, on both sides. Shaft depth equals cabin depth plus space required for the counterweight. 2. Type of elevator drive system. There are 2 main types of drive systems, hydraulic and traction. In hydraulic systems, since there is no counterweight, the entire shaft space can be used for the cabin. However, these systems are limited in terms of the number of floors they can serve. In traction systems, a counterweight is required, which occupies part of the shaft. To install a larger cabin in the available space, the position of the counterweight should be optimized based on the cabin dimensions. For example, if the cabin depth is greater, the counterweight is typically placed beside the cabin. If the cabin width is greater, the counterweight is placed behind the cabin. And now the third factor, which can have a significant impact, is the type of door you choose. The first type is the center opening door, which only reduces the shaft depth by 5 centimeters. The second type is the telescopic door. In this type, since 2 panels open to one side, it takes up about 13.5 centimeters of shaft depth. The third type is the hinged, swing, door, which is mounted on the shaft wall and doesn't take up any space inside the shaft. However, due to its low safety level and the fact that it has to be opened and closed manually, this type of door is not recommended. Make sure to follow our page so you don't miss the upcoming parts.